Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to turn on night light on Windows 11. First, you have to go to the settings. You can right click here and click settings. From there, you have to click on the system. After that, click on the display. Here you'll be able to see the night light option. Once it is turned on, it will become warmer. Click here to turn it on. You should be able to see that your display is more warmer now. Click here for more customization. If you want to turn it off, you can turn it off from here. If you want to change the strength, you can do it here. If you want to schedule night light, click here, turn the off to on, and it will by default be selected to sunset to sunrise. If you want to change the hours or you want to customize it, you can just click here and select the time from here. So this is how you turn on or off night light on Windows 11. Please subscribe to our channel as we post tons of tutorial that can come very handy, and also like the video. Thank you so much.